What's up, bud?
Nothing.
Heading to Grandma's for what?
I'm staying there for a day.
Because of why?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. No school. Heading to Grandma's for the coronavirus. Making every morning kind of a pain in the butt.
I'm kind of sad I don't have school today.
Oh well, hopefully you'll get to go back.
I think today was the science test.
Oh.
I really wanted to do it. But at least I have extra time to study.
There you go.
Something-year-old men fight.
Yeah.
However, not when my tax dollars are paying for at least one of their medical expenses.
What's up, everybody? Ryan here. Today we're going to be replacing a heat exchanger on this little train unit. Not going to get real in-depth on how to do it. Just going to put some footage up. Actually, this store shut down due to this coronavirus that's going on, so we're lucky to even be here working. So enjoy the video. Come on, there we go. What's holding you up? Oh. So Mill Creek Mall is closed. The whole mall. Absolute insanity. Hold on, we're holding up on the bottom on something. Go ahead and give me another push. There we go. I'm gonna put that other one in, that other turbulator. All right. This one broke some point in the shipping, so I put a new hole in it, but I think we'll just use this one since it's in good shape. Ta-da. All right, as you can see, guys, you had to remove everything around here. The unit's completely without a heat exchanger. You got to take the drain pan out on for the evaporator out so you can get to some screws, but these are pretty easy to do. We're gonna put the combustion blower on it now and stuff it back in. You want me to grab it on the other end?
Yeah, I don't care.
All right. Lift it up. There you go. Go ahead and stick the cover in there and block off your supply duct unless you want the fire department to come out and inspect your work, which has happened a few times. All right, everybody, we are done with that heat exchanger, but check this out. Panera Bread, closed. Catherine's Plus Size is closed. Beauty Bar, closed. I'm sure this urgent care is open. Cricket, oh, they're open, probably because you need cell phones. LA Fitness, closed. Nothing is open in PA. Little concerned. Massage Envy, closed. Fortune Star Buffet and Grill, closed. Five Below, are they open? We actually do work for Five Below, so I'm curious to see if they're open or not. It looks like they are open. 6 p.m., 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. All right, Five Belows are open, so that's a good sign there because we have them as an account. So they open at 10 and close at 6. So they're open 10 a.m. and close at 6 p.m. All right, guys, head back to town, leaving Pittsburgh now. There's one other place that's not closed yet. That's my local gun shop. So I've been meaning to stock up on some ammo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And I will see you guys in a little bit to finish this video. All right, well, I'm back from the gun store. Got some more ammo, got plenty of 9mm. Got a 150 round pack of 5.56 NATO round. Should be good. I got plenty of shotgun shells, so hopefully I don't have to use it, but if I do, I want to have it. So that's going to do it for this one, so I will see you on the next one. Stay safe, everybody.